Akakiiko ak'ebyokulonda akakulira omulamuzi Simon Ababaka buvudde ku kalangirira enteekateeka ezigenda okugobererwa okunoonyeza mwaka lwaka omwaka 2021 omwali okuba nti wagenda kubeera enkungaana okuggyako abeesimbyewo okudda ku mikutu gy'amawulire okuli zi radio, zi TV ne mu mpapula z'amawulire okuyisa obubaka bwabwe eri abalonzi baabwe. Kyasigaza bannayuganda bangi nga tebabitegedde n'ekigambo scientific election ekyawaliriza sipiika wa Parliament Rebecca Kadaga okutumya abakulu balabikeko bongere okutangaaza eggwanga era olwale balabiseko ne basoya akajjojo ebibuuzo wakati mu kuddamu ebimu ng'abaka oboolyawo bakulaga nti si bamativu n'enteekateeka eno.
Minisita w'ebyamateeka Ephraim Kamuntu, ssentebe w'akakiiko k'ebyokulonda Simon Ababaka ssaako ne ssaabawolereza gavumenti William Byarwanga leero balabiseeko mu kakiiko ka Paalamenti ak'ebyamateeka okunnyonnyola okuteekateeka okulonda okugenda okubaawo nga kakuyiga ayita ku mikutu gy'amawulire. Mu kiwandiiko kyasomedde Paalamenti, Kamuntu ategeezezza nga bwe beesanze nga balina okuteekateeka kuno era n'awa ensonga 3.
The Constitution establishes the first 30 days of 122 days from the time of expiration of term of office of this Parliament to hold elections. And those elections fall in between, as the roadmap of the Electoral Commission has shown, it falls between 10th January to 8th February 2021.
Wabula ekiwandiiko kyasomye asanze okuwakanyizibwa okw'amaanyi eri akakiiko akabadde kakuzibwa omubaka okuva e Budaama Jacob both.
Now that it is scientists who are determining how to go about with life in Uganda, what would happen, for example, on the polling day, when scientists come out and say, we can't have Ugandans move?
Those who are corona positive and those in the quarantine centers, now that you say it is not a risky business, where will they vote? How will you aid them to vote? And if your temperature is high, what happens? People may start taking off.
I want to give you a situation where Sewungu has no radio and the EC has no control over that radio. Then the owner of the radio has a friend who is standing against Sewungu, and he has the right to choose who will call in after my submissions on the radio. Article 103, 2B, that requires a presidential aspirant to have 100 voters to support a nomination from at least 2/3. How that will be fulfilled in the absence of having meetings?
Would the EC advise this committee how many students in high schools, in colleges and universities be disenfranchised by a scientific election, being home and therefore not able perhaps to run back? The schools where they were registered are closed. Can we be advised on how they are planned for these voters?
Digital campaign, the minister, you said we're going to have digital campaign. I'm so glad you didn't say scientific campaign or election, and we want to know where that word came from.
We have, because I had some actors stating that even they have said the polling is going to be digital, on phone. We have never said that, Honorable Chair members. We have said that polling is going to be the traditional method of an individual voter going by him or herself to the polling station, being sufficiently identified.
That's why I asked, whose election are you organizing? Is it Ugandan elections? Is it someone whose elections? Because the moment you announce the patient dead, and then you send me to Wandegea to buy drugs, it's like you are just belittling me.
Yes, I was a government William Byarwanga asabye akakiiko kabongereyo paka olunaku olw'enkya mu bagenda okuddira mu Paalamenti okulaba nga bakola ennongosereza mu mateeka gano.
The minister will be bringing them tomorrow.
Ku Russell TV, nze Grace Girinya, Nelia Sajabi.